Okay, so we put 1 egg in, right? And 2 egg yolks.
Yeah.
And we put a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of apple pie spice. We need to put sugar in. Can you put the sugar in? Sugar. And we're gonna put in a teaspoon of vanilla. Got it? Good job. Teaspoon of vanilla. Want help? Here, can you dump it in? Good job. Wow. How about the pumpkin? Can you put the pumpkin in? Put the pumpkin in. And we do 2 tablespoons of flour. And then this is our dairy-free buttermilk solution. It's a cup of evaporated coconut milk and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You put that in. Good job. Good job. How about the pumpkin? Can you put the pumpkin in? Got it. Thank you. Ooh. Good job. Hard, right? Messy? No, you can't put it on my dress. You gonna put it on your dress? So we combine all these ingredients and we put it on the stove top until it's completely thickened. And this is your dairy-free apple pie filling. Right? You say, all done. Oh, we have a secret ingredient. Do you know what the secret ingredient is? A little pinch of pepper. Pinch of pepper. You got it?
Right.
Woo! Good job. Got it?
Yeah.
Want to start it? Start it up. There you go. I got this.